Hello everybody, we are now at Unit 8 with last time locations, and usually we connect with locations, of course, also food. So that is about special food of different countries, different locations, the vocabulary to it. We have adjective practice. We will go in the grammar part into the indefinite pronoun man. We will have a look at the statement sentence, as I introduced to you the three most used sentence forms in the last unit. And then we have, of course, a conversation. Where does it come from? The vocabulary is not big for this unit. We have only two adjectives, which we will go through in comparative and superlative. And then we will have a look at man, the indefinite pronoun man. We will have a look at the structure of a Aussagesatz, so a statement sentence. And then we are going into conversation, that is a rather short unit, what we have here. So that unit will usually not take much time and usually even less than 1 hour. Okay, we will continue next part, of course, with Unit 9.